A clue!
Yeah, I know. The sky is blue.
A clue!
Yeah, I hope it stays for a little bit.
Steve, a clue!
Hmm? Oh! Look! The clue! It's a... What is this?
A cloud!
Oh! A cloud! Right! You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Show a cloud. A puffy line all around.
And
They
we
have a cloud. So we're trying to figure out what kind of weather Blue thinks is coming. And our first clue is a cloud.
So what kind of weather could
Blue
Blue think
thinks
is coming?
with a cloud. Yeah, maybe.
But
We're gonna keep looking for more clues, just to make sure. Let's go.
A clue!
Yeah, even though it's a rainy day, we can still look for more clues. Just know when you see one, then I'll write it down.
A clue right there!
A clue? Oh! Ooh! Oh! A clue on this drop. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Right.
So a drop of water.
Of water. A line that curves around like
Point
on the top. There.
A
A drop of water.
So
So, we're trying to figure out what kind of weather Blue thinks is coming. What's our first clue?
And now our
The
second clue is a
drop of water.
So what kind of weather do you think Blue thinks is coming with a cloud and a drop of water? Yeah, that's a good idea. But you know, we should probably find our
last clue, just to make sure. Let's go see if the water is doing outside.
A clue!
Oh, the freeze store is open. Thank you.
No, there was a clue!
What?
You saw a clue? Where? Oh,
A clue.
a clue.
And it's freezing.
It's freezing.
So freezing must be our third clue. You know what we need? We need our handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook. Right.
To draw freezing, maybe we can try some swirly lines like this. And then some little dots and X's.
And X's.
There.
Freezing.
That could be freezing.
That could be freezing.
Hey,
we have all three clues. You know what this means? It's time for our
Thinking chair!
thinking chair. Let's go.